You hear that up there? Not the... Okay, real quick. These are just my regular guys that come out on at night. Oops. There's one. He's the one that usually comes in close. My main man, Mohican. And we got this guy who's directly over my head. His name is Junior. And it's weird out here. There's another one right here. He's really small. See him go invisible like that? See them going invisible? They go into this mode called invisible mode. See them, those little ones jumping around up in the left-hand corner? See that? They're all over the place out here. My camera can only get the big ones though. The ones that are just sitting. See that? See them jumping all over the place? It's such a clear night. So, I'm going to come back out and see what we have after this. I don't know where the hell the moon went, but I thought it was out here today. But you see them going invisible and shit right in front of our eyes? This is just wild. These are the main guys. Look at him. Okay, I'm going to pause it and see if I get the moon. So I came out back, and just above the lake, this guy is the government, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, because they come in from back over here. They come in from the back of the lake. See, this one is coming in closer. And you got this one right here who's close already. And you got this guy right here who's pretty much on the property. And they're looking at, and I think this is government too. But their lights are a different color. It's just such a different color, man. And what they see, look, he's blinking. And see this guy, he's totally coming in from the back side of the lake. This is the government. And like I said, government, I don't have a problem with you guys if you just tell me what's going on. Check that out. This is the back of the house. This is the lake. And watch, just above the lake. He's moving over this way. They moved to the left of my house now. Watch. Look how close this guy's gotten. So anyways, that's it for this video. Government out back. My boys, with the boys, the UFOs are above. These are UFOs. See them going invisible? Look at that. Right in front of your face. And this is a government. That's government. Look, because they can't hold the invisible. See that? It's like they just put up a light. That's the government. You can tell it's totally different than the other guy's invisible. And it's like, I don't care. Just stop going over my property. LOL, LOL. Over and out. You hear that up there? Not the